Season the Pinay Beauty Alonsi moving up on the outside now. It's now Pinay Beauty Alonsi and on the outside Don Guru Dajorka comes next. Remind me, hello, Erin, hello, Dancing Rugs. Game Changer is on the outside. Empire Princess, oye, como ba? And going along for the first turn, we have Alonsi and on the outside is Pinay Beauty. Laying back in third position is Marty Ryan. Remind me inboard, moving up Magalang and on the outside, oye, como ba? Then followed by Don Guru and on the outside, hello, Erin, hello, Dancing Rags. Absolute comes next and on the outside, Game Changer, Empire Princess. The Chorka second last. And trailing the group is number 9, and that is Kayinday. And nearing the border, Absolute and on the outside is Marty Ryan. Racing in third position is Pinay Beauty. Racing in fourth, oye, como ba, moving up, Game Changer. Now on the outside board, Alonsi and on the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Alonsi running by the rail and on the outside, as they come there to the last 150. Alonsi and on the outside comes Marty Ryan, Game Changer. Hello, Erin, hello, on the further outside. We have Alonsi, Game Changer on the outside. Hello, Erin, hello, in between ourselves, entering the finish line. It's going to be Game Changer. Hello, Erin, hello. Then comes Alonsi.
Mukhang nakakuha ni ano, no? Game Changer.
Yes.